Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Everyday E-Learning. In today's video, we are going to understand or learn some of the rules of Boolean algebra, mostly all of them, and we are going to do some proofs with the help of these rules. So basically, these rules or equations help us to simplify any Boolean equation. So whenever we are given very large or a Boolean equation consisting of large number of variables, we can easily solve them with the help of these rules. Now, there are basically 12 rules of solving the Boolean equations or doing Boolean simplifications, but you can see here 9 because we are going to prove the rest of them using these 9 rules available here. Now, let us start from number 10. So rule number 10 is A plus AB is equal to A. Now let us prove it. Now in the left hand side we have A plus AB. We can take A common, so we have 1 plus B. Then we have 1 plus B is equal to 1, because as we can see from this rule number 2 that if we add 1 with any variable we get 1, so we can write here 1 and then we get A, because some variable into 1 gives us that variable back, because we can see from this rule that if any variable is multiplied with 1 we get that same variable back. So this was our rule number 10. Alright, now we will move on to rule number 11. In rule number 11, we are given A plus A bar B. Okay, A bar B is equal to A plus B. Now we'll start to prove it from the left hand side. We have A plus A bar B. So at first we will rewrite it like this: A plus AB plus A bar B. We can write it because we have learned from rule number 11 that A can be written as A plus AB. So we just changed this one with A plus AB and we have the remaining part similar to before. Now we can rewrite A as AA plus AB plus A bar B. So this AA is obtained from rule number 7, which says A equals to AA. You can see it here, rule number 7. Now we can again write this as AA plus AB plus A bar plus A bar B. Now you might wonder from where did this one come from. So you can see here that A into A bar from rule number 8 is equal to 0. So we brought it here because of our simplicity, and we can simplify it easily because of this. So this one came from rule number 8 where it is said A into A bar is equals to 0. So it has no effect on the equation. So we can perform some more simplifications here. We know A into A is equals to A, so we'll write it like this. Plus we can take common from these two, from this one and this one. We can take common, which is B, and we can write it as A plus A bar. And for this one, A bar is equal to 0. So we'll write it 0. Now we can write it as A plus. From rule number 6, we can change this one to 1, because this one, A plus A bar is equals to 1. Now we can write A plus B, because we can see from rule number 4, that any variable multiplied with 1 is equals to that variable. So from here we get the equation verified is equals to right hand side. Now rule number 12 is going to be a bit longer and we will require all the basic rules for it. So let me take more space and I will bring the basic rule chart here. So in rule number 12 we have to prove that A plus B into A plus C is equals to A plus BC. So we will start again from the left hand side. In the left hand side we are given this one, so we will expand it first with the help of distributive law. AA plus AC plus AB plus BC. So we performed distributive law here, if you remember distributive law, and then we are going to rewrite the equation as follows: A plus AC plus AB plus BC. So in this one we implemented the rule number 7, which says A dot A, or multiplied by A, is equals to A. Now we can again rewrite this equation into further simplified form. 1 plus C from this part where we took A common in the following line, and we have our remaining AB plus BC. So in the highlighted portion we again implemented the distributive law. Now in the next line we can write it as A into 1 plus AB plus BC. It comes from rule number 2. If you see here, rule number 2, which says A plus 1 will give us A. Now from here we have A, as it comes from rule number 4, you can see on the right side, plus AB plus BC. So we can again take A common and write 1 plus B plus BC from this one, and then we have A into 1 again from this rule, that if we add 1 with anything we get 1, and we have remaining BC. Now we have A plus BC, because you know that multiplying 1 with any variable gives us back that variable. So in this way we have proved it equal to the right hand side, and thus it is verified as our rule number 12. So you see, in this way, by using the basic rules we can prove and simplify other Boolean expressions, and we will practice some more of them in our later videos. If you like this video, like and subscribe our channel. If you think we have missed anything, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching this video.